What is MCET mock test? Why it plays a vital role in the examination? At the MCET examination from last 2 years, it is going to be conducted in the CBT form, means computer based test. As most of the students are new to the CBT examination, so by giving the mock test, they can get the complete idea how to attempt the examination, how will be the pattern, and how will be the culture of the examination. So watch my video completely to get the brief information regarding the MCET mock test 2020. As the mock test will be as similar as the final examination, so by giving the mock test, you can easily attempt the final examination. So the most of the students may have doubt which are the best websites for giving the MCET mock test. So here I have provided you the best website to give the MCET mock test. By that you can easily score rank below 1000. So first of all, go to the description of this video. There will be the link of a website. Just click on it. Then you will be redirected to this website. After coming here, just scroll down and find. So here you can get the complete information regarding the MCET mock test 2020. If you want to read this, you can read it. So here, see here, MCET mock test 2020 for engineering students. So for if you are an engineering student, just click here. Now you will be redirected. Select the category here, engineering. Then scroll down and select MCET. After selecting MCET, here you select the engineering or agriculture. Then sign in with Facebook or Google or phone number. So after submitting the phone number, you will get the OTP to your phone number. After getting the OTP, just submit here. Click on submit. Then you will be redirected to the instructions page. Read all the instructions carefully. Click on proceed. Then afterward, the questions will be start from here. So if you want to choose, so this is the question number 1. If you want to choose the second option, then click on it. Just it will be turned into a right symbol. Then see here the timer is running on the left top and the total questions are given here. This is the question number 1 out of 160 question. So then if you click on next, so this is the second question. So here, see here, so here you have attended the first question, then it will be turned into the red, green. So if you have not attempted any question, if you just click on next, then the question will be turned into red. By that you can easily get the idea how many questions you have attempted. So if you want to attempt, so here second question you have not attempted, so just click on it and again you can choose any option, then you can click on next. By that, so here it is turned to green. So by this you can get easily idea how many questions you have attended. You have not missed any questions. By that you can see it. Then click on proceed. After that you will be redirected to the direct question paper. So here will be the first question. So after reading the question, you should have to answer the questions. There are 4 options. In that you can opt anyone. So I have opted the first question. So then it will be then click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, you will be finally redirected to the question paper. So here will be the questions. So in the left top there will be a timer of 3 hours. So the MCET examination will be also a 3 hours. So if you want to answer the question, just you should have to click on the option, any one option. So I am clicking on second one. So by that there will be the right symbol on the option which you have clicked. Then next you should have to click on next. Then you will be redirected to the second question. So like that you can answer all total 160 questions. So here there are total 160 questions, as in the final examination of the MCET will be also 160 questions. So if you want to directly answer the 4th question, just you can click on the 4th question and just click on any option that which you want to answer, then next. So see here so I had answered the first and 4th question. So after answering the all 160 questions, just on the right top you can click on the end test. So by that there will be a notice, are you sure you want to close the test? Just you click on close. Then your final result will be here. In the final results you will get, are you pass or fail, and how many marks you have got, and what is your percentage. So percentage will be given. So if you want to attempt a retest, by clicking on retest you can easily take a retest. So here is a note, the retest of examination contains different questions from the previous attempted questions. That means the questions will be not the same as you attempted the previous question. So by that you can attempt the different types of question, and you can get a different types of ideas how to attempt the different types of questions. So just clicking on reset, the instructions will be given, then proceed, then click on proceed. So now the question paper will be start. So at the left top there is an option solution, so click on it. So by clicking on it you can get the solution of all the answers of the question paper which you have attempted the previously. So by that you can check the strategy of your examination. So by visiting this website you can directly go to the links of the mock test of TS EAMCET or APMCET 2020. So if you are an agriculture student, there is a second option for the mock test. If you want to give only the subject, physics subject mock test, you can click on the third option. If only chemistry, click on the fourth option. If only mathematics, then click on the fifth option. If only botany, you can click on the sixth option. If only zoology, you can click on the seventh option.